Strangle me and tie me up. No Viagra nor no shiny brush. Too tight we go in, try all it up. Underneath clean and tidy.
Hi guys, today I'm going to be slaying this Yaki bob Indian Remy hair, and this is a glueless lace front wig. This is from RPGhair, of course. Yes, this wig, the density of this wig is 150%. It is 100% Indian Remy human hair, and it is of natural color. It is a medium cap size. It did not come with any baby hairs, and yes, it was definitely bleached. The knots were bleached. So basically I was just showing you guys that I love the texture of this because it feels so natural. It appears more natural. It's like as if you've straightened your natural hair, so it's not super silky, but it does have that, you know, coarser texture to it, so that's very realistic. So I went on into just plucking the front portion, the edges some more, and making it look even more realistic. So after doing that, I just pretty much move on to flat ironing the hair. It came straight and I just wanted to get it a little bit more laid, so I went through it with my flat iron. This is super simple. This is actually very easy to achieve, I believe, you know, with the plucking part. If you're new to it, then it's gonna take a little bit of time, a little bit of practice. Yeah, so after I did that, I pretty much just moved on to the installation portion, and I've been doing my wig cap method for a while now. You guys, I have multiple tutorials demonstrating this method, so I link them down below. Basically, I just take a wig cap close to my skin tone, so you know everything looks more scalp like, and then I take my Got to Be Freezing spray, which it acts as my adhesive to really lay the wig. And I pretty much just take my time and lay the wig on ear to ear. I don't just plop it on and do everything at once, you know, just take your time. I went on the parting with some of my face powder to make it look even more scalp like, and you know, blend it a little bit more because I wanted it to be a little bit more vivid. So yeah, after doing that, I pretty much just unravel the front portion there. I did give it a little bit of a bump, you know, and then after looking at it and just playing around with it, you know, I was really loving how the edges were looking, by the way. Like what lace, I love that. And I haven't been doing a lot of baby hairs for a while now, and I mean, I don't mind at all. But I was looking at the front portion there, a little bang portion. I was showing you guys the lace, like I was just loving it. But yeah, I was looking at the bang portion there, and I realized that, you know, it needed a little bit of layering because it just wasn't laying right. I did not like the way it was falling. So I took my little scissors and I went down in a diagonal light direction, and you know, just started to add some layers to the front there, and kept on playing around with it, you know, seeing how I wanted it to fall and how much more hair I needed to cut off to make it look more, you know, how I want it to look. Pretty much that's what you need to do. Just do whatever makes you comfortable, do whatever you like. And after I did this, that was pretty much it. Like, this tutorial today is super simple. I feel like if you're new to the wig, the whole wig world, or you know, just new to wearing wigs, I feel like this is pretty much like a beginners friendly type of tutorial, like seriously, because the wig already comes so nice, like, and you see that feathered effect that I got. That's exactly what I was going for. So that's amazing. I love the texture of this hair. I'll go ahead and put the details on it in the description box, and the direct link where you can go ahead and purchase this wig. And you can, you know, if you are interested in any other wig you've seen me wear in the past, I'll link my direct page on rpghair.com, and you guys can shop any one of those wigs. I really do appreciate the support. Don't forget to go ahead and use my discount code SUE15 and PETITE-10. Yes, Valentine's Day sale ends on the 18th. I'll put all the information on that in the description. But yeah, that's it for today, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. So until then, bye.